much already anyways. I started disassembly, and regardless of what I'm gonna do in the future, if you can see that, there is some metal and other junk on the oil filter that I pulled. So, considering it's a engine of unknown quality and condition, and it's got metal shavings on the oil filter, it doesn't really matter what's going to happen in the future. It's got to come apart now. I need to at least know what's in it, what's going on with the engine. The other day I already sprayed this on every single bolt that I could, just to make sure everything would come free fairly easily. And now I'm just going to start breaking into it. I'm going to put some music on, and maybe if something interesting is happening, I'll stop the music and talk, but otherwise I'll probably just end up doing a high speed or video here, or time lapse or something. This part is very important because you never know what's gonna happen. You may end up getting distracted from a project and not getting back to it for a long time, and you need to know where things go. And I definitely don't want to lose that little guy. So, label the bag, put the bits in the bag, seal it up, and set it somewhere safe. I hate these things, these screws. They get stripped out so easily. I'm going to find a replacement for that before it goes back together. It's an easy way to keep everything all organized in the right order. That can stay in there. Idea. Like the super smart guy that I am, I tried to use a drill to take out a already stripped screw, and of course completely rounded it, which leads to eventually using a chisel to spin the thing out. It definitely slowed down the process and was a crappy way to do things, and I obviously had to take great care not to damaged the gasket surface that was right next to the screw I was removing, but I did get it done in the end, and I was going to have to replace that screw anyway. This would have been a lot faster if I hadn't used the drill. I was told a long time ago that the best thing the power tools are for is making you screw up faster. Did a little damage there. You'll see me use this dead blow hammer a lot. It's really handy for popping pieces apart when they're stuck without doing any damage to the aluminum, as long as you don't hit things in a super fragile spot and don't hit things too terribly hard. In this case, the cover for the starter gears wasn't coming off, so I'm just going to pull the starter motor and pop the cover off from the other side. there you have it. That's how the engine sits right now. I haven't noticed any glaringly obvious sources of the metal that I saw on the oil filter, so I'll keep tearing it down and do a thorough inspection on everything. If you found this video entertaining, let me know. If you would like more of a detailed description of what I'm doing and what's going on and the parts and everything as I'm tearing stuff apart, let me know. I can do that too. I just thought that this would be a fast way to get through the engine teardown. So leave a comment, let me know what you would rather see. If this is good, give me a thumbs up. If you want more detailed stuff, leave a comment, let me know. Thanks. Bye.